Okay, we're gonna go straight through this market, so stay tuned. Before we go in, I'll just show you, we're kind of on this street right here, and we're about to go into this kind of busy marketplace. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's go check it out. See what it's all about. Get food. A lot of people around today. Let's go and see what we all got here. Okay, let's kind of go check it all out. There's some balconies up there too. You can see those balconies, but okay, let's go check it all out. So yeah, this is like a little market. I think it's, I think I've seen it many different evenings as well. I don't know if I'm walking around more on the weekends. It is a Saturday, so got all kinds of stuff in these spaces. Kind of stroll through here. Maybe walking a little bit too fast for it. Saturday night, it's about 8 p.m. Got all kinds of stuff. So yeah, another little taste of Macau. Almost near the end of. I'm probably walking a little too fast for this, but again, I'm just giving you a taste for it, anyway. So. And then we're coming up to the end of it. Looks like there's another event, so we'll just go right into that. So we're gonna come into a park here. There we go. Looks like they're gonna have some events here. Something with got a big crowd. So we'll go check that out in a little bit. So this is actually the street that we're at, and there's a little temple right there too. We'll end it right there. Chiquinha.